Hello everyone, today we're going to start with Fusion 360 and I'm going to introduce the basic usage of Fusion 360. So first thing of all is sketches. So let's go to create a sketch first, okay, and let's see that on the top thing. So sketches is the most important stuff in 3D drawing because you need to have something to extrude from and to make a 3D surface, right? A 3D solid. So for example, we can draw a rectangle like this. Just click that and click another point or type in number you want. You can use tab to move between numbers and then click enter. So now you have draw a rectangle. Next thing, maybe we can draw a circle within that. Maybe just like that. 1.8 inches one. Okay, so and next we can define the circumference using the dimension 2, and then for the position we can use this 2 to do center distance, so it is fully defined. Oh yeah, and for fully defined, that means that every line is black, and if you drag the line using your mouse it will not move. Alright, so let's finish sketch. Next thing we'll learn is to extrude. So to extrude, click the extrude button and click the surface you want, and close the surface that you want to make sure, and you can drag it up and down. Then you can create a surface just like that. Easy, right? And then if you want to make it smooth, you can use the fillet tool. Oh yeah, and to move around just like this, you will use shift key and then your mouse middle key. To pan it around like this, use the control and your mouse middle key. Yes, this is the basic control of the software. And click all the edges, give a distance or a radius that you want. I'm using 1/2 inches in this case. Alright, and it is done. Looks good. Alright, thank you. Goodbye.